Hi everybody, my name is Brendan Guire and today we are on a 2026 350 SLX by Sea Ray boats. This boat is American made, built here in the States. We have, this color is an exterior of white hull as well as a dune interior on the inside. We have twin 350 V10 Mercury Verados on this boat, which brings top speed to mid 50s and your cruising speed in the mid 30s. Moving inside, we have a step in and out for boarding. We have about 10 to 12 people that can comfortably sit here in the cockpit. This boat is great for sandbars, great for cruises up and down the intercoastal, and any trips that you're looking to do to the Keys or any Bahamas. On this boat, we do have a grill option as well as the sink option. And then whenever you're not using them, you can just close this off. We do have a fridge here. Lots of space for coolers. We have a space down here underneath this seat. This boat is equipped with the RGB package for lighting as well as the upgraded sound system, JL Audio. We have the cabin space on this boat. And there is a filler that goes in there as well, so all of that fills out. We do have a TV, and this is air conditioning. On this side, we have the head space down below with a sink. And then there's a step that comes up when you're not using it. Now you have your walk through to the bow. Coming up to the bow, we have two really big loungers here. These cushions do move, so the table does come up on both sides, or you can use it as loungers. 6-7 people comfortably up here in this area. We do have a spotlight on this boat as well as a windlass anchor. Coming to the helm, we have our twin Simrad screens. This is very clean up here. We have everything through the C zone, as well as our Fusion stereo system, Bluetooth, AM, FM, joystick piloting, outboards here, as well as a VHF. This is the 350 SLX 2026. My name is Brendan Guire. Come see us here at MarineMax Clearwater.